Jinzhong Electronic Drive and Control, Shenzhen Company Limited, is the Shenzhen software enterprises, state-level high-tech enterprises, and enterprises above national scale, which is a focus in the field of industrial automation control company. The company by a professional design team and marketing team, and perfect after-sales system, R&D and sales of industrial AC motor drives, new energy vehicle motor controllers, wind power converters, solar converters, etc. The main development and design products such as industrial automation and drive control system of production and marketing and channel construction and management. Company main products are high-performance universal frequency converter, non-inductive vector inverter, high-performance vector frequency converter, and frequency converter peripheral products, remote controller, water supply accessories, constant pressure water supply control system, the brake unit, braking resistor, etc. The products are widely used in municipal, building materials, plastics, petroleum, chemical, machinery, metallurgy, textile, printing, machine tools, cement, mining, pharmaceutical, and other industries. Company uphold quality first, the principle of customer satisfaction, development innovation, improving the quality of the push and technological innovation and drive products, and first-class technology and quality products. Sincere service users around the world to ensure that customers receive the best service and technical support. Company close to strengthen trade within the world-class companies and technical cooperation, strives for perfection to ensure the quality of each product. We believe that only high-quality products to create more higher value for customers. Company constantly innovation to Admiralty is Jinzhong Brands.